Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today it is a rainy day outside. As you can see, it is raining. So I have prepared this yummy cheesy garlic toast at home and a dip with mayo and ketchup. Quick and easy recipe, friends. And I'm going to serve it hot with tea. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Ingredients required to prepare this cheesy garlic bread are: I've taken bread, 4 slices of bread, 50 grams of butter. The butter should be in room temperature, not frozen. 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander leaves chopped. These are, I have taken half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of this is black pepper powder, and this is chili flake. I've taken only a little bit of black pepper powder. It is optional. 1 cheese cube. This is 5 garlic cloves. I have crushed them. Just grated them finely. So let's prepare the mixture, the butter mixture first. We will take the butter, add the garlic, then we'll take a grater and grate the cheese cubes. I'm using only 1 cheese cube, friends. If you like your garlic bread to be more cheesy, you can use 2 cheese cubes. This will give a very nice and cheesy flavor. Now after grating the cheese cubes, I will add the oregano, chili flake and the black pepper powder. And now the fresh coriander leaves. Sorry. Mix it properly. The cheese should mix with the butter very nicely. So here, friends, the butter mixture is ready. Now we will apply this mixture on this bread slices. Apply it generously. So I'll apply on all the breads. So here, friends, I have applied the butter mixture on the bread slices. Now I'll be using little bit more butter and cooking these bread slices. So friends, we will heat a pan for frying these uh, garlic bread. We'll take little butter. We will grease the pan. Just reducing the temperature. And now we will place these garlic bread slices, and cover this and let it get cooked for a minute. After a minute, friends, we'll open the lid, and as you can see, we'll reduce the heat. As you can see, the cheese has melted. So we will just place this in a plate, and we are going to repeat the same procedure. Just put the butter in a pan, grease it, and then again place the slices and cover this for a minute. Again, friends, after a minute I will open the lid, and as you can see, this has very nicely melted, and this side also it's nice and golden, the back of the bread. So here our garlic toast, it's ready. So let's put off the flame and serve this. Friends, here is our cheesy garlic toast ready. I have made a dip. I have added mayonnaise and ketchup, and I have beaten it together. You can also add little cheese if you want in this. And here is our yummy and crispy garlic toast ready. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.